calendar. Yeah, we're kind of still waiting for our washing machine. What's that, baby? What's that? Mummy's already had hers. Look, what's this? Jeez, you wet kitty. What's Daddy got? Oh, what's this? Bells. Daddy's got something for you. What's this? Bells. Oh, good boy. Did he? Oi. Oi. Good boy. I like the way he tries to grab it. He knows you've got to sit, don't you? Do you not want it today?
Hello.
What's this? Is it a treat? Your treat. You don't want it today. You don't want your advent calendar today. It'll go in your bowl then. Belle, go follow Daddy. Daddy's going to put it in your bowl. Literally, you made him sit for it and he still didn't want it. It's a funny boy. My neighbour. My next door neighbour. He's just gone out anyway. I'll do ours in a minute. I'll do number 7. Done number 9 the other day. Literally when I took the babies up. Done number 9 the other day. That's my new neighbour. Not man, yeah. Well, I have. That's it, moved. Oh yeah. Yeah, and could you take that out into the water fountain? Okay, give me a second then. You shaking your feet? You got wet body. We have our new washing machine. We can finally wash the clothes. And it is an hour before the time that it come in the slot, like it says. We have our new washing machine. I need to phone up and do the guarantee, babe. Activate it. I've got guarantee on that. Fridge freezer now. We're going to have guarantee on that. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. We have a new washing machine. We're going to have a kitchen back. Once all this goes back in there. Well, that table, the bin, washing stuff. Once you put it all together, I can put a wash on. Washing machine's on. Doesn't make as loud noise as the old one. It makes noise. It's more quieter. I've got that to wash, and I've done. Sorry, breathe in. I've done all that, and there's clothes that were already on the doors. All the doors that I'm washing. That's all going to go out in the main hallway to dry, and that's how it's going in the next wash. The whites. I'm putting all the whites in next. I've got that wash. New washing machine. I'm loving it. And I'm using Smart Touch. So you basically put the phone there and it will Smart Touch it. Just waiting 4 more minutes. Clever one.
I'm not clever. He's the one that ripped.
You're the one that sellotaped the door.
Oh, stop moaning at me.
If I stood on the store, I still would have pulled the bloody door off. You having fun trying to fix the door back on? Because you broke it. Because you put tape across it.
Where is tape? Come on.
You had tape all across there. I've got proof. Look, evident. He thought he was being annoying. I just put all rubbish in there for a moment until I put it in the bin. Yeah. Yeah. I know you. Yeah, I say it's you. Because it was you.
I beg to differ.
Do you? Do you bloody mind? I'm going to chill while you sort that out. I've got to phone up and do the guarantee tomorrow. Got a guarantee on our new washing machine. Poor babies have covered up. I've covered them up. There they are.